Hey guys, what's happening? How to download CapCut on Android. So you can go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and download it officially from your Google Play Store. Alright, so you're gonna tap CapCut right here, right? And you're gonna download it. Alright. Another way of doing it, you can just go ahead to your favorite browser and go to the download.it, and you're gonna download CapCut APK, right? Which is for Android. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is just go ahead and hit, or scroll a little bit down, excuse me, this is an ad, right? Yeah, right here. Go ahead and hit free download, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.